Industry collaboration, innovation, operations excellence. At the Global Operations Conference, we bring together bold minds and complex challenges. Powered by Tauber, this is where innovation meets execution, where global operations, supply chain, and sustainability converge to shape what's next in business. The future isn't waiting, it's being built, right here.
There is that initial investment in innovation. Technology can support and accelerate those solutions that become part of where businesses of the future are advancing and really pushing the envelope of what's possible.
In every conversation, a common thread: transformation through action.
As a human, as a leader, be curious, learn fast, and put yourself in really uncomfortable situations.
The GOC is more than an event. It's a proving ground for ideas, for insight, for leadership that embraces complexity, risk, and continuous learning. Because operational excellence isn't a destination, it's a mindset.
We do look at how that investment impacts the associate, how that investment impacts the customer experience, and how that investment interacts with the human factor of the building.
From classroom to boardroom, from concept to impact, this is the Tauber Institute in action.
Looking at operational excellence, looking at our workforce, our processes, and our impacts. From there, I believe that we can work hard, have fun, and make history.
The Global Operations Conference is just one of the ways we multiply business and engineering to accelerate progress. Engaged mindset, high impact, career ready. The Tauber Institute for Global Operations. Be part of what's next.